Mabuhay! Maayong gabi sa tanan akong mga higala. Good evening everyone. I am Alexi M. Fernandez from North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated, Davao Branch. Guys, the office of our address is in Door 3, Mayrican Building, Daang Patnubay Street, Pisto, SIR, New Matina, Davao City. Guys, we are currently hiring. We need job seekers. We need applicants, guys, intended to our service crew, beaker, utility, merchandisers, driver. Guys, if you are interested, please submit your resume to our office. Our office, guys, sa North Asia Central Manpower Services Incorporated. Para hindi kayo mahirapan, harap lang kami sa Central 911 Main Office, Davao. Daghang salamat. Thank you everyone. God bless.